Hello, how are you? I hope you're good condition. Now I will explain the task of Mr. Tito Sumari meeting 1 and meeting 2. Beyond the most basic definition as the study of sickness, there is considerable variation among leading semiotics as to what semiotic involves. One of the broadest definition is that of Emerson Eco, what sets the semiotic is concerned with everything that can be taken as a signal. Eco 1976. Semiotic involves the study not only of what we refer to as sickness in everyday speech, but of anything we stand for something else in a semiotic sensing in take the form of words, image, sound, gesture, and object. Contemporary semiotic study signal not isolation but as part of semiotic signal system such as a medium or genre. The study how meanings are made and how reality is represented. Will Saucer may be hailed as a founder of semiotics. Semiotics has become increasingly less Saucerian since the 1970s, where the current account of semiotics focus primarily on its structuralism form. We also explore relevant critique and subsequent developments. But before launching on an exploration of this intriguing subject, let's you consider why we solve further. Why shall we study semantics? This is a pressing question in part because the writing of semantics have a reputation for being dense with jargon. One critic widely remarked that semantics tell you things we already know in language we will never understand. Paddy Wennell cheat in Saturn 1992. The semantic establishment may seem to be a very exclusive club, but its concerns are not confident to members. No one with an interest in who things are repression can offer to engineer an approach which focus on and promote the process of repression. We need to accept the postmodern stand that the one is not external reality beyond sickness system. Studying semiotics can as used to become more aware of the mediation role of sickness and of the roles played by yourself and other in consideration social. Meeting 2. We seem as a species to be driven by a desire to make a meanings about all. We are sorely home significance meaning makers. Distinctively, we make meanings through our creation and interpretation of signals. The two dominant contemporary model of what constitution of signal are those of the Swiss linguist Ferdinand de Saussure and the American philosopher Carl Sanders Peirce. These will be discussed in turn. Saussure model of the signal is the dynamic traditional pure efficacy in dynamic model in which the two parts of signal consist of a significant and its meaning include Augustine, Albrecht Magnus, the Scholastic Country, Hobbes, and Locke. Focusing on linguistic signals such as word, Saussure defines a signal as being composed of significant, and significant figure one. Contemporary commentators tend to describe the signifier as the form that the signal takes and the signifier as the concept to which it refers. Saussure makes two distinctions in this term. Thank you for watching this. Wow, thank you.